So who can enter to that house of peace, the Jannah, the paradise, Paraiso? Only the people who are peace loving, who can just tolerate, who can just get patient, and who don't want to ignite the fire, who doesn't want to cause the fire, who want to calm down the fire. And these people are like the mountain. When you can see the mountain is full of fire inside, and that mountain is holding that fire inside himself. This is a very strong person who can make himself patient, and who want to solve it in a peaceful way. And we can see today what happened. People are easily to get react, and they make so much destruction. A man in Novaliches and a woman, the pregnant woman in Novaliches, they just fought only for the parking. So woman, she speaks a bad word because she cannot patient. She pregnant, she speak a one bad word to that man. Man was out of control. He reacted also. He get the gun. He go outside. He shoot to the woman right away. She died, and the child in her womb also died. 2 persons died just for no patient, just for one anger, a piece of anger. What we learn in the Islam, not to angry and always to go for patient, and that is the key of the peace. The person who is going to destroy the peace, he is making himself haram for himself to go to paradise. Because the paradise, the people who can go there, who can always try to look for the peace, who can always want to solve everything with the peace, and they will not go for the option of destruction. So we always want to solve everything in our life with the peace, and we don't want to make destruction in our life. Either you are in a town, you are in a municipality, you are in a city, you are in barangay, you are in one whole country, wherever you are, you need to be a peacemaker if you are really interested to go to paradise in the next life.